Hi all. Today I am going to discussing on one of the library in data science. That library name is SEABORN. What is a SEABORN? SEABORN is one of the library to build into the plots or else to visualizing the data. The data should be any kind of data which can be numerical format. Okay. What are the concepts having into the SEABORN? Now we are discussing here. See, first one, introduction to SEABORN. In this one, what is a SEABORN? How to use this SEABORN in machine learning as well as data science application and data analyst application. I will tell you. Okay. Next, advantages over Matplotlib. Yesterday I told you Matplotlib is a to designing the any plots, but the advantages of this SEABORN also to designing the any plots, but the advantages is it is by using of statistical operations we need to designing the plots. Okay, that is the advantages. I will show you what is the advantages in upcoming session. Next, installation of SEABORN. How to install the SEABORN? I will show you. Just see here pip install SEABORN. Go to the command prompt, then pip install SEABORN. When we are entering that one, enter that one. Next, it will be installed. Then we can use SEABORN library. Next, basic plotting with SEABORNs. Some plottings are there. Already told you in the Matplotlib. Matplotlib having some plots are there. In the same like here a SEABORN also some plots are there. Scatter plot, line plot, bar plot, like that one. Here when we are going to the one by one plots, we need to display the data. We need to use the data. Then we need to display the scatter formation. That means to visualize the data with relation wise. Scatter means we need to use a relation. That means when you want to creating the any plots, we require the data. This data should be relation data. We are using this data into the scatter wise. Next one, line plot. Line plot means it is also to visualizing the data, but the value should be continuous. The value should be continuous. Okay. Next, bar plot. Bar plot also it is visualizing the data, but it can be dividing into the categories wise. Okay. I will show you each and every example in next session. Next, statistical plots. Already I told you in a SEABORN, depending on statistical plots, it will be working. Okay. Here, distribution plot. First one is a distribution plot. Here, what is the distribution plot means? We need to distribute the data in a different ways. Okay. At the time, we can use a distribution plot. Frequency, we need to show that frequencies under probabilities, densities. At the time, it will be working. See, SNS dot hist plot, SNS dot KDE plot, next SNS dot RUG plot. These are the plots comes from the distribution plots. Okay. Next, pair plot. Pair means we need to pair the data. The data should be pairing. Data should be pairing. This it will be goes to the visualizing the data in a different manner wise. Next, box plot. Box plot means we need to use the statistical operations mean, mode, median, and standard deviation. These are the statistical operations. By using of this statistical operation, we can draw the box plot. Next, violent plot. Violent plot also, it is also visualizing the data in a numerical formation. Data should be probability density based. It will be working. Next, in this one we have KDE, kernel density estimate. Here, this is a major role into the violation plot. Next, span plot. It is also visualizing the data in a different formation, but it is defining into the to categorize the data into the different ways. That means here we are not overlapping any data. Individual data will be there. In that individual data, we need to categorize the data. The data should be, by using of this data, we can draw the plots. Next, customizing visualizations. This customizing visualization, when you want to give the any title for the particular plot, the customer can give that to particular title. Labels also, X label and Y label wise. We need to give the labels names. The legends means we need to give the data entire information. That means the title, X label, Y label, access wise. We need to give the size also. Entire information we need to give that by using of legends. SNS dot context. Context means we need to give the information about the term context. Okay, here next SNS dot set style. We need to assign the sets. What are the styles we required? Based on the styles, we need to assign that one. Next, modifying colors palettes. Color palettes means we need to assign the multiple colors. So we need to take the multiple colors using a color palettes. Next, figure size. Figure size means we need to assign the figure size width and height wise. Okay. These all are using into the customization wise. That means user can give that entire information based on the requirement. Next, advanced plots. What are the advanced plots? Means heat map, patch grid, pair grid, cat plots. These are the plots into the advanced plots into the SEABORN. The main heat map is a correlation between the matrices. Next, fact grid means it will be multiple plots we need to use that one. Each and every plot having more than one subplots. Pair grid means we need to pairing the data. That means we need to get a relation between the two values. Next, cat plot. Cat plot also we need to visualizing the data in different formation. Working with the statistical data. Next one. By using of a statistical data, we need to create the plots. Here, a regression plots, estimated plots, next error plots. These are the plots. By using of a statistical operation, we can do this regression plots and estimation plots and error plots. How to defining the mean, median, we have statistical operations are there. Based on that statistical operation, we are working on this one. Okay. Next one, handling time series and data. Here, by using of time series, we need to visualizing the data. How to defining the data? How to give the time series for the particular data? We need to show that data in a different manner. Next, multi-variable and data visualization. Here, the variable should be any kind of data, that is using hue, size, style. These all are the variables into the particular visualization process. When we are visualizing the any data, we need to give the some attributes names or else variables names. Okay, by using of these variables we can show our data at the time user can understand easily. Next, overlapping multiple data sets into a single plot. For example, when we are designing into the multiple plots into the single wise, we are not overlapping. Sometimes it will be overlapping. We are confusing at that time. To overcome this problem, we are given to the some different kinds of styles as well as the different kinds of colors or also different kinds of symbols. How we are given to the these are the information I will tell you into the next session. Next, SEABORN integration with Pandas. Pandas already I told you. What is a Panda? Panda is one of the library into the data science. By using of Panda, we can visualize the data. We can analyzing any information. We need to extract some data from the different kinds of sources. In this SEABORN, how can you use? Here, we can use the different manner using a Pandas library. Next, visualizing missing data with SNS heat map. We need to show the heat map, whatever the missing data is there. That data will be visualized in a heat map. And next concept name is tips and best practices. Here we need to choosing the plot, which plot is required for the particular data. Okay. For example, I am having student data. Student has a pass R file. We need to choose that report in a SEABORN wise. Okay. At the time we need to choosing the plot, which plot is required. For user understanding purpose, we need to select a particular path. At the time we can understand easily. Okay, like that one we need to choose the particular right type of the path. Then we need to display the plots. Next, avoiding clutters and emphasizing key insights. Here we need to remove the unwanted data. Then we need to show the progress report for the particular information, or else, for example, I told you student data. In the student data, we need to remove the unwanted data, that means noisy data. Then we need to show our data in a plotting wise. Next, combining SEABORN data as well as Matplotlib in a single figure wise. To importing into the SEABORN model as well as Matplotlib model to show entire information in different kind of manners, different kind of plots also. Okay, I will show you each and every example wise in upcoming session. Okay, this is the topics. Okay, thank you so much for all. Main thing is to subscribe my channel. You will get more information in data science application wise. Thank you.